everyone, happy to have you here with us on Ledger Live. Big cheers to all of you joining in today, whether you are watching from your couch, desk or somewhere with slightly questionable Wi-Fi. We appreciate your time. Before we get going, just a quick heads up. If you enjoy what we do and want to help keep us independent, feel free to send a little something to our donation wallet. Details are in the description below. Every bit counts and helps us keep the lights on while covering the stories that deserve more airtime. Now, let's get started. First up, KongSwapX, a decentralized exchange that's been working quietly but steadily behind the scenes to improve its backend systems. They have rolled out a significant upgrade focused on supporting ICRC-3 tokens more effectively. Now, if you haven't come across ICRC-3 before, these tokens are part of the Internet Computer Protocol standards, which offers more flexibility than previous token types. What's exciting here is how KongSwapX is not just adding support as a checkbox, but tuning its entire backend to handle these tokens more fluently. This includes tokens like Tagger, which are among the early adopters of ICRC-3's enhanced features, and assets linked to SNS projects, which are those community-owned ventures running on the service nervous system model. Why does this matter? Well, these newer tokens often carry extra metadata, permissions, or unique identifiers that older DEX systems struggled with. KongSwapX revamp means the platform can process these tokens faster, with fewer errors and handle more complex operations without slowing down. This is a big deal as more diverse and dynamic tokens come to market. The upgrade is powered by the Internet Computer Protocol or ICP, which acts as a single streamlined engine powering KongSwapX infrastructure. Unlike ecosystems that juggle multiple blockchains, layers, or bridges, ICP offers a more integrated environment, reducing complexity and boosting performance. Thanks to this backend overhaul, KongSwapX can now manage high traffic loads and more intricate token functions without compromising speed. For users, this means quicker transactions and more stable trading, even as the variety of tokens grows. For developers and liquidity providers, it signals a platform ready for the next wave of DeFi innovation. One standout example is the Tagger token. Post-upgrade, it's expected to see smoother trading volumes since the DEX can now handle its unique features in real time. That's a boost for both traders and the communities backing these tokens. Another technical highlight is how KongSwapX now better interprets the additional data payloads ICRC-3 tokens carry. Earlier DEX engines sometimes missed these details, causing errors or delays. Now the upgraded backend respects these extended features fully, reducing friction for complex token interactions. Looking ahead, KongSwapX plans to leverage ICP's chain fusion technology to support seamless multi-chain operations. This chain abstraction will allow users to trade across different blockchains without the usual hassles where no switching networks or juggling wallets. Instead, everything happens under one smooth interface powered by a unified backend working across chains. This approach could redefine DeFi usability, making multi-chain interactions feel native and frictionless. It's a steady, measured step toward a more modular, reliable Web3 infrastructure that handles everything from simple swaps to advanced asset governance with ease. In short, KongSwapX upgrade may not be flashy on the surface, but it's setting up the platform and its users for bigger, more complex possibilities. The backend work done here is a solid foundation for future growth in decentralized finance. Speaking of infrastructure strengthening, let's move from decentralized exchanges to the world of DAOs and community governance. Our next story focuses on Personal DAO's version 6 update. It's an overhaul that promises to broaden token compatibility and deepen community engagement. Personal DAO has been quietly preparing a major update for some time now, and version 6 is almost ready to launch. The driving force behind this is developer Jesse D. Williams, who has spent months rebuilding the protocol to support all ICRC tokens, not just a select few. Instead of simply patching in new features, Jesse has restructured nearly the entire app from backend logic to the user interface to make it more adaptable and ready for future expansions. This deep restructuring means that once deployed, personal DAO will be able to handle a much wider variety of token types seamlessly. Most of the heavy lifting is done with the final UI canister update about 70% complete. Once that's finished, the new version will move into a community-driven testing phase. Rather than relying on internal testers alone, Personal DAO is involving select community members who will rigorously test the app for bugs and unexpected behavior. This grassroots quality assurance helps ensure the tool actually works well for the people who use it. After testing and any necessary fixes, the update will be deployed across all existing Personal DAOs. Importantly, this won't reset anything. It's an upgrade that will bring expanded token support and improved functionality to live DAOs, enabling token holders and contributors to engage more fully in governance and decision making. New DAOs are also ready to launch with version 6, each tailored for specific communities or purposes. The update effectively lowers technical barriers for anyone wanting to start or participate in a DAO, especially for those dealing with ICRC compliant tokens. Personal DAO's approach highlights a broader trend in Internet Computers ecosystem. Here, the tools built with modularity, community involvement, and steady progress in mind. Instead of hype-filled launches, this is about function first, polish later, and continuous improvement. That quiet, steady approach tends to catch bugs early and builds trust within the community. With version 6, Personal DAO is positioned to become even more accessible and robust, encouraging a wider range of communities to form, govern, and grow using decentralized tokens. Lastly, the latest session from the DAI working group put on a live demo of the Model Context Protocol or MCP running directly on Internet Computer Protocol canisters. This is a big step toward letting AI agents talk to each other in a decentralized setup, all powered by on-chain infrastructure. Bolong Tan presented a prototype showing MCP working inside ICP's ecosystem. MCP is built to help AI models share context smoothly. By embedding it into smart contracts on ICP, this protocol could enable complex AI collaborations without needing central servers or brokers. They are also looking at making an MCP software development kit and SDK to help developers easily build on ICP with this protocol. That could speed up adoption and make development more straightforward. But there are challenges like ICP's 2 MB HTTP call limit, which makes streaming large or continuous data tricky. MCP needs persistent memory and reliable state management for ongoing AI conversations, something ICP canisters weren't originally designed for. So scaling MCP beyond demos will need more engineering work. The session also discussed Google's agent-to-agent protocol, a competing AI communication standard. While Google's backend could ease developer integration, it's still unclear if it fits well with decentralized projects like ICP. Looking ahead, the group plans wide coding sessions and has a hardware acceleration presentation lined up soon. Hardware upgrades might help tackle current bottlenecks and boost AI workloads on ICP. What stands out is their open, ongoing approach. Instead of finished products, they show progress live and invite feedback, making this a community-driven effort. MCP on ICP may not be a complete solution yet, but these sessions highlight how decentralized AI might grow step by step with prototypes, tweaks, and teamwork leading the way. Thanks for sticking around for these updates. If you liked this, remember you can support the channel, wallets in the description, and check out our projects while you are there. Catch you next time.